There are times we need our privacy. Times when we want to have confidential conversations with work colleagues, bosses, or members of our team. Privacy is becoming a precious commodity in today's connected, always on, always available world. Sadly, it's getting hard to find because many rooms are designed for the eyes, not for the ears. They're built using materials which look fine, but acoustically, they're not fit for purpose. This is particularly true of ceilings. Even if a room has good solid walls, many suspended ceilings simply sit on top of the wall. They don't go to the deck, so noise just jumps over the wall. The effect is that you can hear every word the people in the next room say, and they can hear every word you say. Now, we've known for some time how to make ceilings that absorb sound, reducing reverberation and making spaces more comfortable and effective to work in. This property is measured by a number between 0 and 1 called the Noise Reduction Coefficient, or NRC. An effective ceiling can have an NRC of 0.9, which means it will absorb 90% of the sound that hits it. Until now, we've simply not been able to absorb sound with the same ceiling panel that blocks sound and stops it from jumping over the wall and being heard by the neighbors. Now, sound blocking is measured in decibels, a scale where a 10 decibel drop, doesn't sound like much, actually represents a halving of the perceived noise level. A number called the Ceiling Attenuation Class, or CAC, shows us how well a ceiling does in blocking sound. So a CAC of 10 means a 10 decibel drop, halving the noise. A CAC of 35 means that only 9% of the noise from the next room is being heard, ensuring privacy. Until now, we've had to accept a trade-off in ceiling products because high NRC meant lower CAC and vice versa. Happily now, we can achieve the ideal combination of sound absorption and sound blocking in one ceiling tile. Privacy at last.